Guys, today I show you how to solder inside the tab battery. Let's go to the video. Guys, first open the tab. It's having a battery wire. It's cut off. We solder and join and use this tab. Black to red, red to black. Next mix it. Let's go to the soldering. First take the solder gun. Put the layer of wire. And then solder it. Just keep the wire and twist wire. Safely solder. Yeah, see, it has been done. In next side we do that only. Solder it neatly. And after soldering, tape the wire because one wire touch to another wire, the battery will not work. Solder means after tape the wire and close, and if you use its video is so useful for you. You are a beginner to soldering. This video is so useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.